Hello people of planet Earth, this is Chad. I'm coming here to show you some arpeggios today. We're looking at the minor arpeggios and diminished arpeggios, placing our root note on the B string. So, we are going to go up to the 10th fret. Our third finger is on the 10th fret. Our second finger is positioned over the 9th fret, and our first finger is positioned over the 8th fret. Pinky is going to come up here to the 12th. What you have here, if you're looking at the arpeggio, is your root, 5th, 3rd, minor 3rd, flat 3rd. So it's kind of like a D minor, open D minor chord shape. Think about your patterns, people. So we've got 5th, root, 3rd, back up to 5th. You can mutate this arpeggio very nicely and easily by going 5th, root, 3rd, flat 5. Gives a little bit of tension. Alright, and the next one is the diminished arpeggio that we're going to be learning today. So we're going to take our third finger, slide it down 1 fret to the 9th. First finger goes over the 7th fret on the G string, and as you come around, you got 7, 9, 7 again, and then 10th fret. Alright, so those are the two arpeggios we're going to be going over today. First, you're going to want to try tapping your arpeggios, and I will do that for you real briefly. You're going to want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, that's playing straight up the arpeggio. This is kind of coming down the arpeggio here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you start your finger here, you can do that too. Also very fun. But today what we're going to be doing is kickball changes, and it's just a term I've come up with. I don't know if it makes sense to anybody else, but it's kind of like this dance step I used to do when I was in high school, and don't tell anybody. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to come up the arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back. So, take a look at that again. Alright, and you're going to do the same thing with this arpeggio. Remember to count slow and get yourself started off on these. Come up the arpeggio first, come down the arpeggio before you start doing the kickball changes. One thing I want you people to keep in mind is when you're playing the arpeggio just regular like this. Alright, sorry. What you're going to want to do is, as you start and drop in, kind of like you're dropping in on a ramp here, it's kind of like the old days of skateboarding when they didn't go above the coping until 1970. You're going to drop into this riff by placing your pick through the G string, come through the B, but once you get to the E string, don't let your pick go down past the string. You have to just hit it and come back up to the B string. And it's kind of like you're just playing back and forth through the B string right there. And not passing the G and not passing the E after that first go through. Okay? So that's just playing the arpeggio straight. As you do it this way, the kickball changes. What you have is pick down through, come back to the B string, and then pick back on the E string, hammer pull back through to the B string, to the G string, B, and G. Alright, so there you go. just a cool little exercise for you guys to enjoy. Maybe you can pull some licks out of, and maybe it helped you understand a little bit more of your fretboard. All right, everybody, take care and have a good day.